Yeah, like, whoa. Anyway, PayDay. Next. No, no, no more. Who's next? You really like this. I think that's Willie. I'm going to throw a piece of the little baby one. I wonder if any of them will take the bear. Oh, good. Look. Better come get it for someone else does. Damn it, here comes another one. You're welcome for that, by the way. It was two of them. They were screaming to each other, too. They didn't know what street they were looking for. I don't remember what street it was, he said. Ugh, what are you even doing here? Come on, Squirrel, you can come back down. You scared him. Oh, he found my nut bell. Snap. Actually, wait a minute. Put that in here, right there. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Yeah, no, yeah, he found the bell. It's that right in the middle. There you go. Don't untwist it and take the whole thing. I'll be really upset. He's so happy he found that. He's the first one I've seen grab it. No, where to? Where to, little squirrel, little squirrel? You're not gonna come get the payday anymore now, are you? You found something just as good. I wish I could see it clearer. Can't zoom in anymore. I wonder, will he run if I open the door? I'll make sure none run up in my house while I'm doing this. Right here. He's really working on it, ain't he? I just hope he ain't trying to take the whole damn thing. I wonder how close I can get. People with their loud ass cars and bikes and stuff. And the bird feeder I got too. The birdie decoy. I kind of knew they'd attack this bell. I bought it for the squirrels. Yeah. And those birds, man, they're probably pissed that I'm standing here. They'd like to be underneath there, pecking up everything that falls. So then when I first opened it, because I dropped it in the store, a chunk broke off the bottom. When I first opened it, seeds, man, they went everywhere. They were all up in my sandals and my tootsies. Yeah. It's on Zoom. Trying to look down at my feet while it's on Zoom is strange. I hope it hasn't been blurry this whole time. I don't know, it's so dark I cannot see. Look at how cute he is. Oh, you're so cute. Who's a cute squirrel? Who's a cute squirrel? You're a cute squirrel. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Aw. Yeah, get more. Get it. Oh no, if you bite the chunk from up there and the whole block falls, oh my gosh, I'd be angry. I'll have to put it in that cage thingy, even though I bought that for my tomato plant. I'm sure you guys would tear it up quickly, and I can have it back. Why does it keep going blurry? Stop it. Stop it. I'm really running up this clock. But the cuteness. I want to go see what he's doing. He's gonna break it. I hope it's not only connected right there. I hope there's something going all the way through it, holding it together. Like giving it that bell shape. Looks like a giant Hershey Kiss, but of seeds instead of chocolate. Eat it. That is what it's there for. Oh. So if you're still long enough and you're quiet, birds come back. They come out. And the squirrels and the rabbit. Squirrels mostly. Mostly squirrels. Mostly. They mostly come out in the morning. Mostly. Oh, I lost my bell. There it is. Hi. Darn it. Yank it off. They're like a pit bull. I'll get a better look when I rewatch it in the house. This screen is hard to see outside. Oh, I'm gonna have some fat, happy squirrels. Especially this one. I got a fat, happy squirrel.